Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you a painting on jellyfish. I will do this painting with watercolors and I will be using my Artist Pro SketchPad. So, as we all know, jellyfish have no brain, heart, bones, or eyes. They are made up of a smooth bag-like body and tentacles armed with tiny stinging cells. And you know what? All the creatures on this earth might be made from stardust, but we, the humans, we are the only ones who get to know it. We, the humans, are the only ones endowed with intelligence. So let's get started with today's painting. And along with this painting, I want to share few amazing facts about jellyfish. You know, some jellyfish can glow in the dark and they have some bioluminescent organs which emit light. And this is the way how they attract their prey or distract their predators. Quite interesting, huh? There's one more thing. Jellyfish can clone themselves. If a jellyfish is cut into two, the pieces of the jellyfish can regenerate and create two new organisms. Similarly, if a jellyfish is injured, it has the potential to clone itself. And sometimes jellyfish are immortal. Yes, there are two phases to jelly life: the stationary polyp stage and the mobile medusa phase. And it is the medusa phase that we are actually referring to when we talk about jellyfish. And they have the ability to travel backward to its polyp stage in times of stress. So this is how they are also known as immortal. So how strange, na? They don't have brains, but they have some superpowers within them. Means we are endowed with our intelligence and we are endowed with our brain, but still they are the ones who are blessed with immortality and blessed with the ability to clone themselves. And I think this is something we can relate to our own life. The fact that jellyfish have survived for 650 million years despite of not having any brain gives hope to many people. This is why we should understand our own DNA, what we are made for. More precisely, what we are programmed for. Sometimes we see others' life and unconsciously we start envy them, or we keep on thinking that might be they are living better life than us. But we should always remember that we have our individuality. We should understand that fact that makes us special. We should have faith in ourselves. We should believe in ourselves that we all are endowed with that ability to accomplish our goals. If you are optimistic about your future and you are very much confident about your skills, then it will be very easy for you to set your goals and achieve them. You know what? Deep down inside, you actually know who you are and what you can do. And I think you can do anything. Here's a few things you can keep in your mind. Accept your current situation you are in. First of all, you have to accept the truth. You cannot run away from it at any cost. Secondly, think about your past success. You know very well that you are not a failure. The place you are standing right now is something you have accomplished, is something you were planning for more than 5 to 10 years, and now you are in that position. So, whatever situation you are in today, you should have faith in yourself that you have accomplished this position right now you are standing in your life. That means you have succeeded in your past, and that is how you are going to gain your strength. You should always keep trusting yourself. This is the only mantra that will help you to crop out all those negativities. And if you are feeling nobody to talk to, the best way to communicate with your own self is to talk to yourself. Maybe standing in front of the mirror or just sitting alone in your room. You are the best friend of yourself, the best listener. Start talking with yourself and don't ever let fear to stop you, because if you overcome your fear, then there's nothing that can hold you back. There's only one direction you are going to move, that is forward. And with all those positivities endured within you, you know very well how to move forward in life, because you are the owner of your life. I wish you all have a great day and stay safe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.